Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 15th chapter, that is the night sky. In previous video already we have discussed about that planets, and there are two types of planets like inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets are like Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, and outer planets are called as like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune and Uranus. These are the 8 planets according to their distance, according to their some characteristics. It is divided into two types. Okay, one inner planets, another one is the outer planets. But today we are going to discuss about that inner 4 planets in this video. So first of all we are going to discuss about that Earth. Okay, so since we know that we are more familiar and we are living in the Earth, so that's why I will first start that about the Earth. What is that? It is one of the wonderful planets where the life can exist, because the Earth is one particular distance, one particular temperature, one particular atmosphere, which one is suitable for the human beings or for the living organisms, for the plants or animals, where it is possible. Except Earth, remember whatever that other 7 planets are there, it is not possible, quite impossible to exist the life, because to live, to possible the life, the circumstance are required. It is not possible by the other planets, not available in the other planets, like atmosphere, temperature, okay, water. These all the things are not especially not available in the other planets except Earth. So students, today we are going to discuss about that, what is that Earth and how it is, what are the main phenomena, main physical things about that we will discuss in this video. Then after we will discuss about that Mars, next Mercury and Venus. Okay, so let us see. First of all we will discuss about that what is that Earth. Earth is we are saying in that other language also, we are saying that Prithvi is the 3rd planet separate from the Earth. Okay, so it has also one satellite, or that is the moon, one satellite, that is the moon, and Earth revolving around the sun near about that 365 days, or 365 1 by 4 days. Yes, so and also it rotates itself on its axis, that is near about the 24 hours. For that is, we should say that it is one of the day. Okay, one day. Okay, so let us discuss what is that about that wholly about that Earth and Mars. So see students, here I written that Earth. The Earth is only one planet of the solar system on which life exists. Okay, only that Earth is one planet where the life can possible or life can exist. It has the right distance from the sun. That means not more temperature, no hot, not more cool, like that particular distance that Earth is placed. It has the right temperature range, the presence of water, suitable atmosphere, blanket of ozone layer which is protect from the harmful ultraviolet radiations, okay, which is coming from the sun also. It is rotated from the west to east, and it has one satellite, that is the moon, and it is very important for the things. One is there. There is one atmosphere and ozone layer, which one is protecting us from the sunlight, which that generally it is coming that what ultraviolet radiations which are coming from the sun. It is very harmful if it will fall directly to the human beings or animals on the earth. Okay, so that one that ultraviolet radiations are filtered by that one ozone layer, which one is like a blanket, like it is covering to the earth. Okay, so this is all about that general features of that Earth. Now we are going to discuss about that Mars. Mars is other we can say also it is Mangal Graha. Mangal is also, it is called as also red planet. Do you know why you should say it is a red planet? Now recently that 19 February, that Mangal mission, that like our America country, okay, America country, they launched that one robot and satellites that they sent to that missions, and they now robot landed on that where on the Mars also on last February month, this before months, that 19 February 2021. Just that first that country America launched that what robot sent to that Mangal. And now why it is color that red color? Because of iron oxides are more amount of iron oxides are present in the Mangal or the Mars. So that's why the color of the Mangal, the Mars is red color. Okay, it has the two small satellites like moons. Two moons are there, and we will discuss about that how other features of that Mars. It is believed that Mars has a large amount of water in the form of ice near its pole caps. Friends, if you see that all the scientists are there expecting, they are believing that there are large amount of waters are present in the Mars. Where it is? In the polar near, in that polar caps near, like the ice formed with ice with it is present in the Mars. It appears slightly reddish due to presence of large amount of iron oxide. It is reddish color due to that red planet, we should say also. So that's why due to that iron oxides are present in that Mangal or the Mars. That's why it is color just reddish. Reddish means that's why we are saying also this planet as a red planet. It is also called a red planet. It has two small natural satellites. How like that Earth having one natural satellites, same like the Mars has the two satellites. Okay friends, now we will discuss about that. What is that Mercury, the first planet near to that which one is closest to the sun. We will discuss what is that Mars and Venus. Okay. Now see students, now we will go further discuss about that Mercury. Okay, Mercury is the first planet near to that which one very closest to the sun. Okay, and it is very hot in the daytime, and in the night time it is very cold also, because it is very near to the sun, and it is the smallest planet of all the planets. Means if you solar system, how many planets? 8 planets are there, 7 planets remain there. Among them, the Mercury is the very smallest planet. Okay, and it has no satellites. It has no satellites. Okay, and if you will compare that to other planets, how that revolving around the sun, Mercury is the fastest planet which are revolving very fast around the sun. Okay, so let us discuss about that thoroughly, how the Mercury and what is the Venus in this video. Now you see observe here, Mercury, the Buddha, it is other name is also Mercury Buddha, and it is the nearest planet to the sun, and it is revolving speed is fastest of all the planets. How like that other planets are revolving, सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा कौन घूम रहे, वो Mercury घूम रहे. Okay, और बुध घूम रहे सन का पास में, राउंड में. It is the smallest planet of our solar system. Our solar system 8 planets are there. Out of the 8 planets, that Mercury is the very smallest planet. Mercury has no satellite of its own. How like our Earth is moon is there and Mars is there, 2 satellites. Same like Mercury, there is no natural satellites. It is yellowish orange in color. But that color it is yellowish and orange. Yellowish orange color. That color is Fujo, Mercury. Okay friends, this is all about that Mercury or Buddha Graha. Now we are going to discuss about that. What is that Venus? Venus is called as Shukra. Shukra Graha, Buddha. Next Shukra. Shukra Graha, what is that? Already I have told you, it is one brightest planet all over that planets. In our solar system, how many planets are there? सबसे ज़्यादा bright कौन है? Venus. Okay, it is brightest star. It is a brightest planet. Okay, and also it is also called as evening and morning star. In the early morning, 4 o'clock like that, sunrise before, it will be appear. Sometimes it will appear in the eastern side of the sky. Eastern side of the sky, if you see, you can find out that the brightest star, that is called as Venus. Okay, and in the evening after the sunset, you will find out that western side of the sky, you will find out the brightest star, that is called as Venus. Okay, so that's why in the olden days whenever you want to find out the timings also, by the seeing this evening star and a morning star, they will find out that now it is coming the morning, or now it is now evening, like that they are finding. So these are called as this stars. Generally Venus is called as a evening star because evening time they are seeing, and a morning they are seeing, that's why it is called as also morning star. So Venus at a time, both time they are seeing, that daytime in the morning time and also evening time. So that's why these things are, the Venus is called as a morning star, also it is called as a evening star. Venus is the same size of the Earth. Our Earth size, how like same size is Venus, same equal size. Okay, and it is the closest planet near to the Earth. Also, if you will compare the distance from other remaining planets, Venus is the nearest planet to the Earth. It is called morning and evening star. It rotates east to west. Our Earth is rotating west to east. So that's why all heavens body, they are coming from, like appearing from the east to west. But in the case of Venus planet, that it is rotating alternative. That means west to east. Okay, west to east whenever rotating. Venus planet, east to west it is rotating. Okay, and it has no satellite of its own. There is no satellites of Venus. Like in Mercury, there is no satellite. Venus also no satellite. Earth having one satellite, and then Mars having the two small satellites. So these are whole about that inner planets. These are contain 4 planets, and these all planets there is no rings. That's why we are thinking that this is the special character we can identify what is the inner planets. Inner planets there is no rings around this. Okay. Thank you students, and we will discuss about that what are the outer planets remain, what is that Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.